This is video number 4 for a property in Dorrins Strand in Strandhill in County Sligo. So the last video I just was finished talking about the drainage. Now in this video, so I have checked the boundaries, the site boundaries, just to see that what's on the landdirect.ie, that it matches what's on site. And in general, the short answer is it does match. It's fine. There's nothing to worry about. So this first drawing here is this is an extract here from the landdirect.ie website, this landdirect.ie. And it's not a very high scale that you get it at, but you can get the drawings at a scale of 1:500, and I have to do my best to take dimensions from that. I do it in AutoCAD, to take dimensions from that drawing, so to get dimensions of the edge of the site here, and the width there was coming up as 21.08, or that's the length of the site, 21.08 on one side, and then 20.89 meters on the other side. And there you can see the two widths as well. So this was measured from the drawing that I got from the landdirect.ie website. And that plot then, when I calculate the area, comes out as 174 square meters. So that's from landdirect.ie. I also surveyed the site. I went back to site just to survey to get dimensions, and these were the dimensions that I worked out. The dimensions 20.54 on this side, and then 20.51 on this side, and those are your widths. It was 8.32 on both sides. So this is what's existing on site. Now I know the drawing here looks a little bit blurred. You can see this text here. This is one of the drawings that I got off Sligo County Council's website, of the scanned drawing on Sligo County Council website as part of the planning documents. They scanned them in, so that's why I drew it on this one, and that's why it looks a little bit blurred. The background image looks a little bit blurred, in case you're wondering. So I took the dimensions on site, and those dimensions are shown, and when I calculate the area comes out as 171 square meters. So there's a very slight discrepancy. You have 171 square meters existing, that's what you have on site, and what's shown on the land direct is 174 square meters. And you can see that most of the error comes in because the length of the site, if you just check the length of the site here, the length of the site from here to here, it's 20.5 meters. And then if I come back up here to what's on land direct, it's actually 21.08, the length of the site. So there is a discrepancy in that your plot is actually half a meter shorter than that shown on the landdirect.ie website in terms of the length. Now, in terms of the width, which is a more important measurement, 8.32 is what I measured on site, and then 8.22 is what I measured, or is what I took from the landdirect.ie website. So there's a difference of 100 millimeters there. 100 millimeters, which is about 4 inches. So those kind of discrepancies are not large enough for me to say, well, there's anything wrong. That's within what I would expect to find. There's always, the maps are only done to a certain scale, so there's only so accurate that you can get it, and it would have to be out by more than what I've shown to justify red flagging it or doing anything about it. So, I mean, in short, the boundary is fine. There's no problem with the boundary. Okay, and if you want to discuss it any further, just give me a call, and I can go through it with you in detail. That's no problem at all. All right.